I recently posted a video on how to compare two lists and identify the difference between them using a filter function, but someone had recently suggested an awesome way to do the same thing without using a formula, but with a very simple, skillful table manipulation. Check this out. Consider this table here. You're looking for absentees from registered users and attendee users. What you do is that you select all the registered users, highlight them, Control C, and let's paste it on column E like this. And you do the same thing with attendee as well. Highlight the attendee, Control C, and paste at the bottom here like this. Now you have to do is you select all the names that you just recently copied, and then go Home, Style, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, and you're going to select Duplicate Values here, and click OK. So all the highlighted names are names that are appearing twice. I'm going to give this table, let's say, call it a prep table, and then once you select the header table here called prep, press Ctrl Shift L to turn on the filter. Click on the filter here, sort by color, and you're going to select no fields here. All the names that are not highlighted are absentees. You select them, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and you can delete this column, and there you have it.